Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we can use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that next to y that is about positive number 1. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of s. Later that we multiply both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y to the power of s. This one, we have e to the power of s. And I will put about c. Next, we divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.